Hey guys, Andrew Coster with Pit Boss Pellet Grills. Today we're at the Danson's Training Center and I'm going to be showing you part replacement and maintenance on a Pit Boss pellet grill. In this video, we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove and replace your grill's igniter. We've already gone ahead and taken all of our internals out of the grill and the hopper's been removed. We will then go ahead and actually clip the zip ties holding your wires in place. You're going to want to do that using either scissors or wire snips, being extremely careful not to clip any wires while you're doing this. Once your wires have been clipped, then we can move inside the grill and actually work on removing our igniter. Once your wires have been clipped, then we can go ahead and move inside the grill and get at that igniter. The first thing that we're going to need to do is remove the 4 screws that hold your fire pot in place. Once those screws have been removed, you can then grab your fire pot and give it about a 1/4 turn, and the fire pot will then lift outside of the burn system. Once the fire pot's been removed, you can then remove the set screw holding your igniter in place. You don't have to remove it completely, but you'll want to loosen it just enough so that igniter slides right out. From there, all you're going to do is from the hopper side, pull the igniter wires out and completely pull the igniter from the burner, and then you'll disconnect the Molex connectors holding it to the control board. And then from there, you'll replace it all in reverse fashion.